exciting Monday today.
Do you know, this is my favorite part of the week.
Yeah.
I love it. And you guys have amazing questions. Thank you so much for sending them in. So talking about questions, what's our question for today?
So Rebecca asked this amazing question. She said, what can I do with a spare bedroom in my home?
Wow. How much time do you have, love? There are so many options. So what do you recommend?
Well, we'll give you a couple of our favorite ones. So firstly, if you've got kids, you can always change it into a kid's playroom. That way, if you've got guests over, you can just close the door and there's no mess all over your living space. So
yep, totally agree. Or make it a versatile space where you have two purposes combined in one. So you can have maybe gym equipment and have a study table and your computer there. So in the morning you can exercise and then work from home during the day.
If you have a hobby, you know, like you're an artist and you love painting, then it can actually be a creative space. Yeah.
You know, I saw a guy's house the one time. You guys, you should have seen it. He had like the whole room was a train station that he actually built, like one of his hobbies.
I remember.
That was really amazing. Anyway, if you love trains, do that. But a friend of mine actually uses the whole room as laundry. So that is where she irons, where she just dumps everything once it's clean. No one sees it because she has a very tiny laundry space.
Yeah.
And that is just her timeout space. So when everything gets too crowded, she has her music on there. She irons in peace and quiet. That's her timeout session.
I actually have a friend and he made his spare bedroom into a man cave. Now, it sounds strange, but he loves music and he literally insulated the room and noise-proofed it, and he kind of plays his music and it doesn't bother the rest of the family, and I thought that was a really good idea.
Yeah. Awesome. So there's a couple of options for you. Hope you find something that you really like. You know, go on Pinterest, go on House, go and Google a couple of ideas. You're going to find so many clever out-of-the-box ideas there as well.
Yeah, and please share your extra spare bedroom ideas on this post.
Yeah, and keep those questions coming.
That's it.
Bye. Thanks for joining our Q&A Mondays. We really hope you've learned something.
I've been super passionate about helping people with any questions that they might have regarding styling for sale or decorating their own homes, you know, themselves, DIY styling.
So post your questions below or email us at info@homeimprovementtraining.com and we'll be so happy to answer any questions you have.
That's right. Looking forward to it.
See you soon.
Bye.